OneDrive is a cloud storage service that allows you to store all your important files securely in one place. Saving your documents this way allows you to access them from any campus and virtually anywhere. We recommend saving to OneDrive for easy access to your files and folders off campus. OneDrive works like a traditional hard drive, but it's on the internet. For example, you can create a file on your computer and pick up where you left off on your laptop, tablet, or phone without having to save a copy on a USB drive or email it to yourself. While on campus, save to your A drive, not the PC you're working on. It is best to get into the practice of saving to your A drive while on campus to ensure that your documents are safe. Ensuring that you can save to your OneDrive means that if something happens to your computer, you'll be more than likely to be able to access and get back all of your files. So how do you save to your A drive? When you log on to your NTU Windows PC, you will notice you have an A drive. This is your OneDrive folder. You can save and open files as you would with a USB memory stick or a hard disk that you have plugged in. To save to your A drive, you simply click on File, Save As, and then Browse. Then, click on this PC, then click on NTU OneDrive. Once you have this, click Save. To access your OneDrive off campus, go to office365.ntu.ac.uk and select OneDrive. For more help, go to support.ntu.ac.uk.